Today, we are going to tour 15649 North 29th Place in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this beautifully maintained and thoughtfully updated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, located in a desirable North Phoenix neighborhood. Step inside and you'll find an open floor plan with neutral paint throughout, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. The living room flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area and features a stylish half-bath tucked behind a charming barn door. The kitchen stands out with light wood cabinetry, butcher block countertops, and a full suite of stainless steel appliances. Additional highlights of the home include a water softener system, energy-efficient solar panels, a 2-car garage, and an upstairs laundry, fitted with a washer and dryer for added convenience. Upstairs, all 3 bedrooms offer laminate flooring, walk-in closets, ceiling fans, and calming neutral tones. This property is ideally located with easy access to nearby hiking trails, shopping centers, dining spots, and entertainment venues, offering the perfect balance of comfort and lifestyle. The spacious primary suite includes a beautifully upgraded ensuite bathroom, featuring a modern walk-in tiled shower with bench seating, a sleek vanity with stone countertops, and a linen closet for added storage. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Just off the dining area, French doors open to your private backyard retreat. Thoughtfully landscaped with rock and artificial turf, and featuring a covered patio, this space is ideal for relaxing or enjoying Arizona's sunshine all year long. Don't miss your opportunity to live in this wonderful home. Schedule your tour today.